Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish kite, easy method. Start by laying out your paper and dowels flat, then measure and mark the kite spine and crossbar. Cut the paper to the fish shape, leaving extra around edges for taping. Attach dowels and a T with secure tape at the center so the frame stays rigid during wind. In this video, I will show how to make fish kite, easy method. With the T frame ready, lay it on the fish-shaped paper and align the spine to the center seam. Tape the paper edges to the dowels using tight, even strips to prevent flapping. Reinforce all corners with small patches of tape to stop tears and trim excess material for a neat, aerodynamic profile. In this video, I will show how to make fish kite, easy method. Quick recommendation: bring some music into your workspace with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes crafting more fun and keeps your hands free. If you enjoyed this guide, please subscribe and like so I can share more simple projects like this one. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make fish kite, easy method. Decorate the kite with bright colors, scales, and a bold eye to mimic a fish and attract attention while airborne. Keep paint light and use markers where possible to avoid weighing the kite down. Securely fasten a ribbon tail of 3 to 4 feet for balance, and let everything dry fully before attempting your first flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.